Good morning, everybody. How are you doing? In like 5 minutes, Stephanie and I are going to pick up some friends who moved down to Los Angeles from Portland as well, and we're going on a hike. There's 2 hikes that I'm thinking about doing, but I'm going to ask them when we get in the car what their comfort level is, because like they're a little bit different in terms of like skill and all that stuff and length. So we're going to see what they want to do, and then this camera and all of us will be going on one of the hikes. It's like hike roulette. But yeah, we're going to go up to Ventura County and just enjoy this beautiful day. It's Wednesday, so yeah, I'm going to take advantage of this hump day and do something fun. So we decided on the Matilija Waterfall hike. We were back the last maybe 2 videos ago. We were out here just really quickly, but we are back again. We are with Stephanie and our friend Laura and Clem from France, who also just moved here from Portland. Something about this hike is I've done it like 10 times. I've probably come out here and done this, but I've never made it to the actual waterfall. As I was saying, I don't think we're going to do that today. That's definitely more of like an involved hike, but camping out here is really cool. I highly suggest coming out here, going camping, checking out the beautiful scenery. I think I've told you guys, where you guys have maybe seen some of my movie I made about a gold prospector, and I filmed a big part of it out here just because it looks so timeless and like a place where a gold prospector would be trying to find some gold. But anyway, we're going on, we're doing this hike. It's so beautiful out here, so quiet and peaceful. Let's keep walking. This exact spot we're in right now is where I filmed a lot of the Goldman movie. You know what, I'm gonna like give you guys some footage to kind of get some reference to what this movie was, so you're gonna see that now. Goldman, yeah, that was a movie I made 2011. I've talked about this movie and this book that I've been writing, this Goldman movie and book, for a while. But like, someday, that's like the end of the life kind of thing, is I'm gonna sit down and finally write this book. But you guys kind of got an idea of what I was going for. Anyway, we're still walking towards the water holes right now. He didn't want to have anything to do with us. Rattlesnake. So we have made it to the first swimming hole. There's mosquitoes everywhere, but this is such a beautiful place. As you can see behind, there's a nice little refreshing, cool thing of water. Mosquitoes abound, but it is extremely beautiful. We saw that rattlesnake. Luckily, we did not get bit. Cross fingers.
Sit over there.
Stephanie's gonna sit over there. Changing into my shorts, but right here is this amazing little campground. So if you guys ever come out here and you're like, I don't know where I'm going, it seems like there's nothing here, there's this amazing campsite right here. If you keep going, the waterfall is, and then there's another really incredible swimming hole. I'm not sure how much farther up. I'm kind of just wandering off on my own right now to change. But yeah, this other waterhole is really cool, a little further up, because there's like a slide. It's really fun. It's a real good vibe over here. Another sort of interesting thing is, like, a lot of you are viewers who found me via Portland, and it's just really interesting because, like, this used to totally be my life. I used to live out here, and this was like a normal weekly hike I would do. And now it's just really interesting. I get to show you guys like this whole other part of what I used to do when I lived down here. Alright, we are walking back from the swimming hole now. Gonna get some food in town, going to this place. They only accept cash, so don't forget, if you ever come to this place, bring cash. Hi friends, we are back in Los Angeles. Didn't really get much of footage at dinner, but we had some delicious pizza at Bacalli's, kind of like a favorite place I like to go when I'm out in that part of the world. But for now, we're just back in Los Angeles. I want to do a proper video where I sit down and just kind of give you a little update as to what's been going on since we've been in town here. So that will be coming very soon, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you are all well, and I'll see you soon.